Well, I don't know how you can see this, but just cut it out. Oh, bastard. About to weld this piece in there. Put the camera down. It's not perfect, but I'm gonna fill in the holes with some weld. I don't know about up top. You can kind of see inside the trunk. Then there's like a little crack right there. I'm gonna try to weld shit. This is mostly behind the bumper, except for like right here. So these welds I didn't give two shits what they look like because I just put Bondo over them, and I don't know, when I drill a hole in there and tighten the bumper on the Bondo will crack. I don't know, probably something like that. Blew a hole right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's gonna suck. It's probably gonna come all the way out here with my luck, and then I'll have to freaking fabricate something and it'll look like shit. Blew another hole. That's what happens. Back at it again. Same video of a bunch of videos. Cleaning up the doors on the inside, because that's what you see that when you open them. You don't really see much of them, but I still want it to look. The bottom I don't care, that can be a little rough, but the paint was rough, kind of bubbly like that, and sanding it was just sandpaper, wasn't working, so I took the die grinder, took that tour, grinded that down. Well, first I put some paint stripper on to get most of it off, so I didn't have to sit there for like 20 minutes, but now I'm doing this one, and I don't know why, but I kind of like the way that looks. It looks, I don't know, yellow, blue, red, and black. Looks pretty cool. Let's see what I got left to do. Gotta smooth this out and put some Bondo in there and smooth that out. Got the rocker panels on both sides a little bit. Pretty sure this is done for right now though. Got some shit. Oh, there's a rust converter. I don't know. I was watching. Shit, I don't know what his YouTube channel is showing. I don't know, but he makes really cool Datsun videos of his. I don't remember, 280, 260, 240. Just putting rust in there. There's rust in there. And he put this gel stuff on it. The rust would convert it to metal or something like that. I don't know. I'll get some of that. Put some in there, and then there's rust pits right here. I'm gonna try to grind out, just get the rust all out of there so it doesn't spread. Put it inside the door. I guess this one's worse over here. Yeah. Put some in there. Just try to get most of the rust out. I'll probably end up doing this paint again because it's my first time, so I ain't too worried, but I want it to turn out good. The next time I paint, I'll probably I want a carbon fiber hood. I'm sure I said that in this video. I don't remember. I came up with a pretty good idea for this video with a bunch of clips in it. I'm gonna put the date on each one once a new clip starts. It's probably in a month's time. It's pretty not very good. It's taking me this long, but it can work so fast. I ain't rushing. I'm taking my time, just trying to enjoy it. And oh yeah, if anyone can tell me what this is, I don't know if you can see it. It's like a little knob. I hear it doing something, but if anybody knows what's that for, let me know. Oh yeah, and I'll have a pole. I don't know if my hand's even in it, but click on that eye right there. Right there. There'll be some paint suggestions on what I should paint it. About 99% sure it's going to be a dark purple, but I'll throw up a picture of what I want it to look like. I looked up paint on the Eastwood site and on a couple other ones, but I couldn't really figure anything out. Oh, wait a minute. No. I don't know. I think that purple right there is too light of a purple. I want it darker, but they only got one purple, so it's hard to tell. That orange right there, Sunset Malibu Metallic, that's a Comet. Yep. Went to Walmart yesterday. Pick up some Bondo with the crew. I left it in my car. I just got home. Don't think it's supposed to be this runny. Of course, it's from the heat, obviously. Well, it's about 99% sure that's what it's from. But yep, I'm gonna wait for it to cool down. I was gonna Bondo some stuff, but I don't want to risk it. It ain't that much of a risk, but don't stir it. Freaking air bubbles. I think you're supposed to do this. I don't know. Guess I ain't Bondoing today. That's not a hammer. I think it is. I guess I'm gonna. That's what that looks like now. Gonna grind that all down. Maybe I'll do a little time lapse. Probably ain't nobody watching now. But hey, that's minor. You don't worry about that kind of stuff. Wise man once said, only worry about the small stuff. Never worry about the big stuff. If it's big, if it's something big going on in your life, don't worry about it. Just worry about the small stuff. Alright, I'm gonna set you guys up now. Done grinding that off. I still got the other side. Guess I could try to get this shit out of there. Still gotta put some Bondo around here. I ordered a Dremel off of Amazon yesterday. I have one, but it ain't in there. I don't know where it is. These arches are gonna be a pain in the ass to get perfect. Probably next year I'll get fender flares anyways, because you can't see up in there, but I don't know why there's Bondo in here. That makes no sense. I'll look around in here. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. But yeah, try to figure out a way to clean that out in there without getting all the dirt and shit in the gas tank. I got this gas cap, gas tank, gas cover, whatever it is, cleaned up best I could with a paint stripper. Get on the Bondo and it kind of eat away at the Bondo, so I just taped it up. Tape that up here. Shit. Now I'm gonna try to clean the rest of it out with the soda blaster my brother won from the Snap-on truck when he worked at a Ford dealership a couple weeks ago. He won a whole bunch of stuff. He won a gun, a Snap-on cooler thing, a bunch of shit. Yeah, but I'm gonna try to use it. It's like baking soda or something. Different than sandblasting. When it hits there, it goes and explodes. So, yep. I have to get some glasses. Don't want that shit going in my eyeballs. Oh, bitch. Oh, my. There's a cloth or rag or whatever that I shoved in there. I did have it tighter on the spring that keeps the gas cap on there, but I just pushed it down in there a little bit more. Stuck a piece on the edge over here. Pushed it down, came back up. So I want to try to clean up this gasket rubber thing too. I don't know if it doesn't take rust off, so it shouldn't hurt this rubber at all. This sandblasting doesn't hurt rubber either, so it should be fine. Slight problem. I don't have an adapter. God damn it. Nothing's going my way today. Teflon tape and an adapter. It's our broken gun. As soon as I got an inch of dust on them, no one ever uses them. Some bitch, I'm gonna take it. Bam! Let's see if that works. Probably not. don't think I ever talked about that engine, but that came with the car too. Looks pretty nice in there underneath the valve cover. Alright, here we go. Dump this in there. I can taste the baking soda. That's it. Wow. I guess that's it. Holy shit. I gotta get out of here. Holy shit. That's it for today. That shit don't work.